The standing overhead cable triceps extension with rope is an isolation exercise that targets the long head of the triceps. You can also swap out the rope for a curl bar if you find it helps you lift more weight. By working through a full range of motion with your arms overhead, this move maximizes the stretch and tension on the long head of the triceps. Here's how to do it correctly. Attach a rope handle to a cable machine set at waist height. Grip the rope with a neutral grip, press it overhead, and step forward slightly to create tension in the cable. Stand with a staggered stance, keeping your chest upright and facing away from the machine for balance. Engage your core, keep your back flat, and bend your elbows to lower the rope behind your head. Keep your upper arms close to your ears. Extend your elbows by pulling the rope upward and outward, focusing on squeezing your triceps at the top. Pause briefly at the top with your arms straight but not locked, then lower the rope back behind your head in a controlled motion for a deep stretch. Avoid letting your elbows flare out too much to keep the tension on your triceps. Maintain a tight core to prevent any arching in your lower back. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.